Today I'm in a Ford Edge and we are going to go over the climate control system. This is for models 2019 all the way up to 2024, and it's got some interesting features. One, they put it in the infotainment instead of having knobs. Not a huge fan. I love having knobs like these guys here. You can feel it while you're driving. But that's just my opinion. First of all, we got heated seats. I got my seats heated right here. So that's what these guys do. You have 3 levels of heat on the seats. You have these guys, which you can control the temperature. You can either slide up and down like so, or you can go 1 degree at a time. It's really nice because this kind of is a little finicky if you're trying to control that. So that goes away. 2 ways to control that. We have our auto. So once you set a temperature for your zone, there's also 2 zones. So you have passenger and driver zones that you can independently set your temperature on. You also have an auto feature. So whatever temperature you set it to, you can put it on auto and it will make the car that temperature. And there's 3 levels of that. Turn that off. Once you hit auto and turn it on, you have to come into the fan and turn auto off from here. And then you can also control your fan speed from here as well. So if you don't want to do the auto feature, you can turn that there. Then we have our zones, which we have this cool graphic that comes up. This way you can control, we have our defrost, that's going to hit your windshield. And it also gives you this cool little graphic right here of what zone you're in. Then you have these vents here, these front vents, and then you have your feet as well. So then you have, let's see, where are we at? Boom, boom. Just that's what all the buttons do. So you can control that from here. Then you have your max. So if you want to just get in and blast, you have that, your defrost max. So first thing in the morning on a cold day, you can get the heat going with that. Then we have our rear defrost, so that does the rear windshield. And then we have our AC on and off. Over here is our passenger heated seat. And there we go, that's it. They do give you 1 button here, which is a max. So when you get in the car and you just want to get your defrost on a snowy day, you can hit that button and that's going to give you defrost max. But that's the climate control system in the Ford Edge. I would love to see just regular knobs, but it's in the infotainment system. If this was helpful, let me know and leave a comment and we'll see you next time.